good. Hi, G1, welcome. My first lesson with you. And really interesting stuff is happening today. This is your work here, and it's really, really good. We have nouns and verbs and adjectives, and I will look at these in a minute. But today, I was asking you about these, and you were talking about these. And these are also really interesting, because we need all of this stuff to make good sentences, like I'm speaking to you now in sentences. We need the subject pronouns. We need to use this at the beginning of a sentence, I. But we can also use nouns as subjects at the beginning of a sentence. And here are all the nouns that you've written. Table, pen, glasses, jacket, very good, with a T at the end. T-shirt, bag, bed, eraser, door, chair, window, floor, pencil, whiteboard, book, case, paper, phone. Really good words. We can use these words at the beginning of a sentence, like the phone. We could talk about the phone here. So this is why I started here, because these are really important words. Nouns are very important. We need to know the names of everything in the world, okay? Of course, then comes the verb. As soon as we say I, or we say the phone, the next word is usually some sort of a verb, like I run every day, say, for example. This is a whole sentence. I run every day. We could talk about the phone. The phone rings in the classroom, for example. And suddenly, I have a whole sentence using all of this stuff. So we've talked about subject pronouns, we've talked about nouns and verbs. And then we have adjectives, and I love your adjectives. You are G1, but you're putting together very important adjectives like magnificent and mature and rare and intelligent. These are really good, and magic, I really like it. Beloved works as well. Cute and kind and nice and low, all really good adjectives. We use these adjectives to talk about nouns. Like, for instance, we could say, the chair is low, for example. So we've used your words. We've got chair here, and then we're using the word low over here. And suddenly, with these words, we make a whole sentence, and then we can make ourselves understood. We can understand each other. If we have a problem, oh no, teacher, the chair is low. I need a big chair. Something like this, and we can start to have a conversation. This is why we have all of these things. We won't talk about these, we won't learn these things, but thank you for bringing them up. We use possessives, my, your, his, her, to talk about things. So we use these to talk about nouns. We could say, for example, your phone is expensive. For example, so we can use these possessives to talk about my phone or your phone. And these ones here, we use these at the end of a sentence. For example, I will see him. Yeah, and we use these ones at the end. I will see him. Maybe I will see him later. We generally use them at the end of the sentence. So this is a lot of things. So because you said these words, that means you know some of these words, which is really good. Is there anything else? No. Just one more thing. Look at how I've written these sentences. Look at how we begin. We start with a subject. A subject is a noun. A subject is a pronoun. I, the phone, the chair. And then we have a verb. I run. The phone rings. And this one, very important one, the chair is. This is also a verb. This is the verb to be, and it's really important. And here we have a noun, a classroom. Here we have an adjective. And here we have 3 sentences. We will use all of this stuff here to make sentences over the next few days. Nice one, thank you.